In a sunlit apartment, a playful hedgehog named Pip starts a pretend talent show as a cheeky parrot named Pico heckles. Pip taps a toy drum, Pico mimics a cymbal, and their duet bursts into laughter as the curtain drops. When the vacuum wanders in, Pip tackles it heroically while Pico rides the cord like a tiny rodeo star. Flour bursts into the air during an accidental pie crust flash, turning the room into a sparkling stage set. By curtain call, the pair nap side by side under twinkling lights, cherishing their ridiculous, unstoppable friendship.